Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this Recool hair right here. This is what the packaging looks like, and the hair comes with a cute little pink bag straight from the box, and it also comes with a wig cap, a mirror, cute little mirror, and it also comes with an instruction of how to take care of the hair as well. And that's what the packaging looks like really. So it has all the instruction of how to maintain your hair and everything inside it. And the hair is also a 360 lace frontal wig. Hair is a loose deep lace wig and is in the length 22 inches. So this is what the hair looks like straight from the box. The curl pattern, guys, the curl pattern is really lovely. Straight from the box, the hair has been pre-plucked. As you can tell, on the hairline, the hair has been pre-plucked, and it also has baby hair around the perimeters of it. It has 3 combs at the front and 1 comb at the back, and it also has an elastic strap at the back as well. So in case you want to secure the hair, you don't want to use gel. So that's what the hair looks like. I really like the curls, so I had to brush the curls out just for the bleach to penetrate into the hair. I used a blonde me bleach and developer, so I mixed the 40 volume developer into the bleach powder until I got the consistency that I was going for. When I'm pleased with that, then I sectioned the hair and I started applying the bleach on the hair. I went for small little sections so the bleach can penetrate straight into the hair and it's going to process really well. Notice that the hair took to the bleach really well. The hair processed really fast, so there was no need for me to leave the bleach on for a while. The maximum time that I left the bleach on overall was actually like 15 minutes because the process was really quick. So after that, I applied the same bleach that I mixed earlier onto all the areas of the hair that I actually wanted to highlight, where I want the orange to pop, because I left some areas at the front of the hair just to have that black shadow or black roots, if you call it. So that's what I did so far really. I just kept applying the bleach on area that I actually wanted to highlight, where I actually wanted the orange color to pop. So I kept on doing that back and forth. When I finished this right side, I went to the left side. I did the same thing throughout the hair of the wig, or what do I say? Anyway, I just applied the mixture all over the areas that I wanted to highlight. So that's all I did. And after that, I actually shampooed the hair. I washed the hair, I shampooed it, and I blow dried it because I actually wanted to finish the whole process in a day, so I didn't really leave the hair to hair dry. But to my surprise, guys, after bleaching the hair, washing it and blow dried it, the hair came back to its original state even after dyeing the hair. I'm just going to show you guys in a bit, but after applying the bleach on the hair, I washed it and I blow dried it. So I just want to show you guys what the hair looks like after bleaching and washing it, guys. The curls were still popping. The curls were still popping, guys. I'm just going to show you guys in a bit. I was quite surprised. I was like, really? Like, seriously? After all those bleaching and everything? Wow, guys, look at that. Look at that. The curls were popping after washing and everything. And I blow dried the hair. Then I went ahead and do the watercoloring method. I used Cajun Spice and Paprika by Adore, but the first one that I used was the Cajun Spice. I put the full bottle in, and next then I applied a tiny bit of the paprika because I actually wanted a ginger look, not too orange. So that's what I did. I insert the hair into the mixture and make sure that the hair was fully inside the water, just to pick up all the colors from the mixture. And also I kept on going back and forth. Then when I noticed that it's not up to the color that I actually wanted, I applied the mixture again. So in essence, I used 1 bottle of Cajun Spice and half of the bottle of the paprika because I still have half left. So I showed you guys what the hair looks like after bleaching, after dyeing it. So that's what it looks like so far. So after that, I actually washed the hair and blow dried, and look, the curls were still popping, guys. Look at that. The curls were popping. Like, what do I need to say? What else do I need to say about the quality of the hair, guys? Look at that. Look at that. After all this process, the hair came back popping. So I actually didn't want the video to be too long, so I applied the wig off camera and I showed you guys how I styled the hair. In case you're new to my channel, I've got a lot of videos of how I install my wig, but anyway, I style the hair by coiling it with a wand, so you already know the drill. I curled it away from my face. That's what I did throughout the styling process of the hair. I just wrap the hair around the wand away from my face. I did that on the right side and the left side as well. So when I'm placed with the curl, I just drop the hair, and that's all I did. That's all I did so far. I really like the hair, guys. Just ignore my parts. Ignore my part. Lately, I don't know what's going on with my part lately, but never mind. I always end up adjusting the parts after filming the video, but you guys already know. If you check my Instagram page, you know how I adjust the part and everything. But apart from that, really, just ignore that bit. But I was not just like in the mood to plug the part. But anyways, moving on, after coiling the hair, when I'm satisfied with that, I brush out the curls to give it a kind of wavy look. So depending on the look you're going for, if you like, you can straight the hair. If you like, you can curl the hair with straightener. If you like, you can do any curls of your choice to the hair. It's left to you on what look you're going for. Voila, that's a finished look, guys. That's what the hair looks like. Look at that, guys. I am loving it. So stay tuned to my review, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this hair right here. The hair is originally black, but I bleached it and dyed it to a ginger color right here, which I am feeling right here. So I showed you guys how I transformed the hair from black to ginger. I also showed you guys how I curled it in the beginning, at the beginning of the videos. So I'm gonna go straight to the point and share my thoughts about this hair with you guys. It's in the length 22 inches. It's a loose coily 360 lace frontal wig, and it has 2 combs at the front. I think, yeah, 2 combs or 3 combs at the front and 1 at the back, and it also have an elastic strap at the back as well, in case you don't want to use any gel or glue to secure the hair. So you can use the elastic strap and also the comb at the back of the hair to secure the hair if you like. I also noticed that the hair comes with a baby hair around the perimeters of the hair, both front and back. There is baby hair at the perimeters of the hair. So another thing that I noticed that I really like about the hair is the fact that the hair has been pre-plucked straight from the box, so you don't have to worry about that. It was well pre-plucked, and I really like the way it was customized straight from the box. So there's nothing to worry about when it comes to customization of the hair. The most important thing that I really want to share with you about this hair is the quality of the hair, guys. The quality of this hair is really out of this world, guys. I actually bleached the hair and colored it and washed it, and even I blow dried the hair after bleaching it, because I did the whole process in one day. After I bleached the hair, I washed it and blow dried it, and it went straight, and I colored it again. But what really baffles me is the fact that after coloring the hair, I washed the hair and the curls came back popping. I was like, seriously? So I couldn't help myself but to show you guys on camera how the curls went back popping, and I really like that a lot. I really like that. So the most important thing for me with this hair is the quality of the hair, guys. The quality of the hair is really amazing. I mean, amazing. Like, how do you bleach your hair and blow dry it and dye it and you still have the curls popping? Like, how? That for me, it's a no-brainer. The quality of the hair is really amazing. I really like that about the hair. And also the hair is also true to length. The curls that came with the hair straight from the box is totally awesome. So probably that's why you still have the curls after putting the hair through all those process. The curls were still popping. So another thing I noticed about the hair is the fact that there have been no crazy shedding or tangling whatsoever throughout the bleaching process, throughout the dyeing process. The hair kept to its condition same as it was before it was colored, which you guys can obviously tell from the video that the hair is of actually good quality. In my opinion, hair is still here, bouncy, and it took the curls really well as well, which I really like a lot, because you guys already know me that I like curly hair. Like, I really like curly hair. I could wear curly hair from January to December. That's just me. I rarely wear straight hair, but this one, I am loving it so far. I also have like up to 6 inch parts on the closure right here. In case you want to style your hair the way you like, you can actually pat the hair up to here, which is about 6 inch parting space, and also at the back you have like 3 inches parting space at the back as well, because it's a 360 lace frontal wig. And also you can style the hair anyhow you like, and also because it's a 360 lace frontal wig, it makes it easier for you to do that ponytail look, you know, half up, half rough bun and all those styles easily. You can do them easily because it's a 360 lace frontal wig, so it gives you that option to style the hair just like your own natural hair, which I really like, which is the more reason why I prefer 360 lace frontal wig anyway. And apart from that, guys, look at the curls. Look at that. The curls are popping, guys. Look at the quality of the hair. I don't really need to say much about this hair, but you can actually tell from the camera what the quality of the hair looks like without having to, you know, go on into story and on and on and on with you guys. I really like the quality of the hair, and I also like the fact that the hair is also true to length, which I showed you guys while I was bleaching it. The hair is really long for a 22 inches loose wave. The hair is really true to length, and I've not noticed any split ends whatsoever on the hair. The hair has really met up to my expectation in my opinion, because so far so good. I am loving it. You don't know, they are a hair company that sells human hair, they sell Brazilian hair, they sell Peruvian hair, they sell all types of hair that, you know, you could imagine with style. So in case you want bundles, they sell bundles, they sell lace frontal wig as well. They don't just sell 360 lace frontal wigs, they sell all types of hair that you know, all types of hairstyles and color depending on what you're looking for. So I'll leave the details of the hair in the description box below. Please feel free to check out the vendor and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.